Audiophiles have long been asking for Echo hardware with more powerful sound. Today, Amazon might have unveiled the answer. It's called the Echo Sub right here, and it costs $130. The idea of the Echo Sub is pretty simple. You're just going to plug it into power and then connect it wirelessly via Wi-Fi to your existing Echo hardware. It's designed to work with the 2nd gen Amazon Echo and the new 2nd gen Amazon Echo Plus. If you have two of those, you can create a left and right sound system with the subwoofer providing the bass. All told, let's say you buy this Echo Sub plus 2 new Echoes to create that type of setup. That'll cost you $330, which I will note is $20 less than the cost of a single Apple HomePod. The Echo Sub adds in a 6-inch downward-facing woofer with a 100-watt amplifier that's going to be able to really beef up the sound of your Echo setup. The Echo Sub is available for pre-order now at Amazon.com, and it'll ship out to people who pre-order it next month in October. We'll get our hands on one and tell you how it sounds as soon as we can.